friends and families, how are you all doing? Welcome back. It's your girl Estelle, and I hope you all doing good. So my friends, I'm back this week with a new recipe to share with you. It's called la sauce d'arachide, which simply means groundnut or peanut butter soup. So the ingredients I will be using today are simple and very easy to follow, and as you guys know, your girl Estelle will always make it easy for you to follow. Yeah. So without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got into my cooking pan 2 kilograms worth of chicken pieces cut and clean. Now the chicken I will be using today are boiled chicken, which some people call it hard chicken, but when it comes to this dish, you can use any type of chicken of your choice, or meat, or even fish, and it will still taste delicious. And next, into my blender, I'm going to add 1 medium size white onion, clean and chopped, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of grounded black pepper, 5 garlic cloves, a small portion of fresh ginger, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 small red onion chopped, and finally a small portion of fresh basil. And I'm going to add a bit of water, then followed by blending it until smooth, then set it aside for later. Okay guys, now that I have finished blending the vegetables, before I add it to the chicken, I am quickly going to add 1 bouillon cube crushed to the chicken, some salt to taste, 3 dried bay leaves, and I'm adding more fresh basil to this cooking. As you guys know, you really can't go wrong with basil when it comes to using it to cook chicken, so don't hesitate to add it to your chicken before you start cooking. And then follow by adding in my blended vegetables, and I'm going to add a bit of water into my blender, rinse it, then pour it into the chicken, followed by adding 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 medium size red onion, and also 1 medium size white onion, and finally a small portion of fresh ginger. Then I will cover it, and I will be cooking the chicken for the next 10 minutes, and that is to allow my vegetables to cook and turn soft. And while the chicken is cooking, I am going to mix 2 cups of peanut butter paste using some water, and I will mix it until it turns soft and running. Morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy. Then I will transfer it into my cooking pan, and also I have added a bit of water to thin it, because when I transferred it to the pan it was still a bit thick, so I've added a bit of water to smooth it up. So insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be. Followed by adding in 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish powder. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. and just a little bit of salt to taste. Then I would mix it until smooth, and it will be time to start cooking that one as well. But I will keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. Make sure if you are doing the same as me, keep stirring so it doesn't burn. And also, depending of the amount of the peanut butter you are cooking, it can take between 10 to 15 minutes for the peanut butter to cook, and you will notice the oil rising up when it's cooked. Okay guys, now that our peanut butter is cooking away, it's time to check our chicken, and at this stage our vegetables is now cooked. So I'm going to quickly remove the vegetables and follow by give it a quick blend, then add it back to the soup. Okay guys, now that I've added the blended vegetables, I'm going to stir it up, then cover it and cook it for 15 minutes, since I'm cooking hard chicken to get the chicken to cook. But if you are cooking soft chicken or normal chicken, should I say, your time may be less. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes since my chicken is cooking and it's now almost cooked. So I'm going to give it a stir. Then it will be time to check our peanut butter now. The birds have just begun. It's been 15 minutes since I'm cooking this peanut butter, and it's now cooked. And as you guys can see, the oil has now rise up, and that's the sign that my peanut butter is cooked. We will always take. So I am going to now transfer the chicken into the peanut butter, followed by using a serve to serve the soup that the chicken was cooked in, and that is to make my peanut butter nice and smooth. Yay. For the people, for the land, let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand, let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Then after adding my soup, I'm going to give it another stir, then followed by adding more Scotch bonnet peppers and just few fresh okra, and I will stir it up and cover it, then slow cook it for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's now time to finally check our peanut butter soup. Yay! At this stage our soup is cooked, so I'm going to give it a stir, then follow by turning the fire off and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. I am serving this with pounded yam, but you can serve this with any type of side, such as banku, fufu, kabato, or boiled rice, and it will taste delicious. The smell in here is amazing. Wow, I can't wait to enjoy this with my family. The fragrance of the peanut butter, the chicken, and all the ingredients is now showing up. Wow. So my friends, it's time to start serving. I guarantee you will love this recipe, guys. Give it a try. I'm pretty sure you will be back leaving me a comment to tell me how delicious it was.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, will never be.
So guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever tried the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.